Hi, Jessie here. I'm so glad you found this video because it means you want to learn some fun tips and tricks about essential oils, specifically doTERRA essential oils. So if that describes what you're looking for, you're in the right spot. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gratitude roller. You need 5 essential oils. You need wild orange, frankincense, Douglas fir, bergamot, and ginger. Okay, so as long as you have those 5 essential oils, you got a roller ball, some fractionated coconut oil, then you have everything you need to make a gratitude roller. And it'd be fun at an event like Thanksgiving or where there's a group of people gathered. Bring this roller. It's like spin the bottle. So you'd have the roller, you all get in a circle, you'd spin the bottle, and whoever it's pointing to when it stops rolling, that person picks up the roller, they say 3 things that they're grateful for. Then they could apply the roller on their pulse points. So behind their ears, over their heart, on their wrists, and then spin it again and keep playing until everybody gets a chance to share 3 things they're grateful for and put on the roller, should they choose to do so. So let's make this roller. So here we go. You're gonna do 3 drops of wild orange, 3 drops of frankincense, and some oils, if you're new to making roller balls, some come out faster or slower than others, so just be patient. And then we're going to do 1 of Douglas fir, and if more than 1 sneaks out, it's okay. It's going to be all right. You're going to do a drop of bergamot right here. Whoop, see, I got 2. That's okay. Then you're going to do 1 drop of ginger. It's a little bit thicker. Oh, there we go. It came out. Then you're going to add fractionated coconut oil to it. My dispenser is down here. I have a pump on my dispenser. Make sure you don't overflow it. So I filled it with the fractionated coconut oil. You're going to add your roller ball. I need to use my table. There we go. You're going to put your lid on. And voila, you have a great custom roller blend. Gratitude. Have fun with this. If you have any questions, my contact info is in the show notes. Please share in the comments. If you do this activity at a gathering, let me know how it goes. I would just love to hear how it goes. My contact info is in the show notes. If you have any questions, if you need to get your hands on doTERRA essential oils and you aren't working with anybody, I would be honored to be your essential oil mentor. I really like oils and I really, really like teaching people how to use oils. So if that fits the bill for you, just reach out. We can help you get started. I can help you get 25% off whenever you order. We're good to go. Every Thursday, I release a new YouTube video. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did that. And we will see you on the next video. Have a great day.